Are you looking for the best outdoor electric grills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor electric grills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Char-Broil Patio Bistro TRU-Infrared Electric Grill. If you're looking for a high-quality electric grill that offers convenience and the juiciest food, the Char-Broil Patio Bistro TRU-Infrared Electric Grill is a great option. The grill features true infrared cooking technology to prevent flare-ups and deliver even heat, making your food consistently tender and juicy. The integrated control knob makes adjusting temperatures easy, and the porcelain-coated grate is rust-resistant and easy to clean. With a removable warming rack, you can also use it for indirect cooking or to keep food warm. With a small size that can fit on most patios, it's also large enough to grill up to 12 burgers at a time. What we like: easy to clean, great grilling results, safe, no propane needed, attractive design, good flavor and grill marks. What we don't like: temperature gauge accuracy issues, longer cooking time. Number 2. Cuisinart CG115 2-in-1 Outdoor Electric Grill. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill is a versatile 2-in-1 grill that can be used on the stand or as a tabletop grill. With a 240 square inch non-stick cooking surface, it can accommodate up to 12 burgers at a time. The temperature control probe offers 5 adjustable heat settings, allowing you to achieve the perfect level of doneness for your food. One of the standout features of this grill is the grease management system, which drains grease through the center channel of the cooking surface into a collection cup below, making cleanup a breeze. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill also boasts easy assembly with no hardware required, so you can start grilling in under 10 minutes. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or enjoying a meal outdoors, this grill offers convenience and high-performance cooking. What we like: easy assembly, quick heating, lightweight and portable, easy to clean, great for small spaces. What we don't like: lid design could be improved, temperature control lacks precision. Number 3. Artestia 1800W Electric Grill. The Artestia electric grill is perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. With its powerful 1800W heating capability, you can grill meats, veggies, and seafood quickly and efficiently. The adjustable temperature control allows you to cook a variety of foods just like a professional chef. Plus, the grill's non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze, as you can easily remove the bakeware for quick washing. Whether you're hosting a family gathering or enjoying a casual barbecue, this grill provides a convenient and enjoyable cooking experience. What we like: easy to clean, compact size, good for thin foods, indoor and outdoor use, transportable. What we don't like: flimsy stand, limited cooking temperature. Number 4. Ninja OG701 Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker. The Ninja OG701 Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker is a 7-in-1 master grill, barbecue smoker, and air fryer, powered by electricity and flavored by real burning wood pellets. It allows you to cook your favorite dishes outdoors with 100% real woodfire flavor. The grill is weather-resistant, easy to use, and apartment-friendly. It comes with 2 blends of 100% real hardwood Ninja Woodfire pellets, crisper basket, pellet scoop, non-stick grill grate, and a quick start guide with 15 recipes. You can grill 6 steaks or 30 hot dogs, air fry up to 3 pounds of wings, or barbecue smoke a 9 pounds whole brisket. What we like: versatile cooking options, easy to clean, quick heating, delicious smoky flavor, compact size for small spaces. What we don't like: cleaning the lid is tricky, may require lower cooking temps. Number 5. Ninja Woodfire Pro XL Grill and Smoker. The Ninja Woodfire Pro XL offers exceptional versatility with its 4-in-1 design, allowing you to grill, barbecue smoke, air fry, and bake all in one unit. With a generous cooking space of 180 square inches, you can easily prepare meals for gatherings, accommodating everything from ribs to brisket. The built-in thermometer ensures your food is cooked perfectly, notifying you when it's ready, so you can relax and enjoy your time outdoors. Additionally, the foolproof barbecue smoker feature lets you create authentic smoky flavors quickly and effortlessly, making it ideal for both novice and experienced cooks. What we like: 4-in-1 versatility, exceptional smoky flavor, built-in thermometer, spacious cooking area, easy to clean. What we don't like: requires some learning curve.